Hey guys, I'm super excited today because I just got all the parts for the YZ85. Put that back together, stick it back in the Aprilia. Hopefully it won't blow up on this time. We have some much better parts, some OEM stuff right over here. We got my OEM cylinder that Teddy from Boyko Racing cleaned up for me. He also went and cleaned up the head. Looks absolutely amazing. And we got brand new parts. We got a Pro X piston, rings, the new wrist pin bearing, a Moose top end gasket kit, wrist pin, circlips, all that stuff. I'll put a link in the description for any of these that I used today. I already went ahead and measured the piston ring clearance in the cylinder. It's looking great. It's well within spec from the Yamaha manual. Since I already did a video on a top end job, I'm just going to link that above. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. This is going to be replacing that kit. That niche kit was not great. The top end O-rings completely blew out and left me stranded. Without further ado, let's go ahead and slap this thing back together. Clutch is slipping. Indicated 65 though. It grabs and then it slips. Making full power. There's definitely a lack of power from like in fourth and fifth. happy. It's not happy. Okay, it seems. Oh, it's because the fucking fuel was off. And I'll do it every time. Forgot to turn the gas on. Seems happy with that. Alright. Stable temps. So I have to like feather the clutch out like right here, like midway, for it to really grab and feel good. Like this. But then it jumps, which is weird. Alright, so I adjusted the air mixture. See if that does anything for me down low. Feels a little snappier. Wasn't doing the juddering that it was before. See how it does up this hill. Hesitation at the very top. Happy with the hill. Oh, it doesn't like it at all. It's not a fan at all. Hey guys, so the footage that you just saw actually happened about 2 months ago. I've been tinkering with this bike in the background, kind of trying to get it perfect so that this video could just be like a one and done, like, oh, the bike's sorted, it's perfect. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. I went through and I changed the reed valves out. I went and I built a leak down tester and tested the engine. Found that one of the crank seals was actually leaking, replaced that. Built a timing gauge for it, and the timing gauge indicated that it was perfectly timed, so that was great. I took it out recently and it's running a lot better. There's still a problem with it though, and I've tracked it down to the clutch itself. So the chugging and the bogging that was happening down low, I believe is from the plates not releasing when the clutch is released, so that it's constantly sticking and wearing, and it's like juddery. I think part of that was it sat for a long time and the oil may have worked its way out of the plates. So I've got a set of plates and springs right here, like marinating in some oil. Gonna end up tossing these in here and using the stock springs because it's got heavy duty springs and a heavy duty clutch in here right now. And go back and try that and see how that does for us. But for right now, it's running really well. It's just not riding really well. So we'll tackle that in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me, and give me a little patience on this guy. It's been a labor of love. It hasn't been getting as much attention because it's just kind of a side project compared to some of the other things going on here, but I know that a lot of people are interested in it, and I want to be doing some more content with it, so look forward to more of that. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garage, and a little bit of riding outside. I'll see you on the next one.